Hello and welcome back. Paulie here, and I've got a great recipe. Hello everybody and welcome back to Paulie's Food Channel. It's summertime and what better food to eat than tomatoes. I've got some great local hothouse tomatoes here that we're going to use today. I'm going to show you how I fry these up. So I hope you stick around and I'll show you what I do. Alright, let's get started. Before we do anything as far as cooking is concerned, we have to prep all of our ingredients and get our situation and our station ready. So we've got some egg that's beaten up here, and then we've got some panko breadcrumbs. To our panko breadcrumbs, we're going to add a generous portion of kosher salt, like so, some cracked black pepper, and I'm going to use some Italian seasoning. Your grocery store market variety is fine. And this is an optional item I'm going to put in next, but I like some heat, so I'm going to go in with a little cayenne. Cayenne pepper is always good for me. So then get all your ingredients well incorporated, and then we can get started with our cooking process here. Okay, while we wait for our skillet to heat up on medium heat, we can get our tomatoes prepped. You can see I've got one done already, but you just go in like so. Got your slice, get it covered in egg. Make sure it's well coated there, and then go into the panko breadcrumbs and seasoning and get that covered up like so, and we can get it ready for putting in our skillet. Alright, we're ready to go. Our skillet is preheated on medium heat. Go in with a little olive oil, like so, and go in with a little bit of butter, unsalted butter. Get that melted. Now we're ready to go in with our tomato slices. Like so. And I've got a plate here with paper towel, and we'll use that when we remove them from the skillet. Okay, it's literally been 2 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and give these a flip here. Got a nice golden brown exterior on there. Don't be afraid to check it midway just to make sure, but you want to get it nice and golden brown, and then get the other side cooked there. So just be a couple more minutes and we'll be done and ready to plate up. Okay, after a couple minutes, remove them from the pan and go ahead and put them on your paper towel. Alright, after letting them rest for a few minutes, let's go ahead and let's add some fresh basil on top. Why not? Love fresh basil. Like so. And then we'll go around the outside with some nice balsamic vinegar. So you just nice little drizzle like so. Good to go. There's our dish, fried tomatoes. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching Paulie's Food Channel, and we'll see you next time.